Hello, I'm Mihela. Here we talk about a bird who holds the record for the longest non-stop flight migration. The bar-tailed Godwit. Unfortunately, it is listed as near threatened. The bar-tailed Godwit is a large and strongly migratory wader. Gangly wader with a long bicolored bill. Bar-tailed Godwits breed on Arctic coasts and tundra from Scandinavia to Alaska, and overwinter on coasts in temperate and tropical regions of Australia and New Zealand. Breeding plumage is dark brick red below of male or pale orangey of female. Non-breeding plumage is overall grey-brown with a white belly compared to black-tailed Godwit. They feed on bristle worms and shellfish on coastal mudflats and estuaries. Alaska to New Zealand is the longest known non-stop flight of any bird, and also the longest journey without pausing to feed by any animal. The round-trip migration for this subspecies is over 29,000 kilometers. Their calls are like locally named Waira, Penda, Gohuduwiththa. I have not seen the bar-tailed Godwit. In Sri Lanka, there are many bird watching tours, ranging from for kids, for adults, and for professionals. You can find out about these tours and join them via Facebook and related forums.